Welcome everyone to the Amoolah Keto and Low Carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite chocolate keto and low carb Swiss roll. So straight into the ingredients. In a bowl we will need 2 eggs with a dash of salt and vanilla and whisk until frothy. After whisking, I am going to add a 1/4 cup of your preferred keto appropriate powdered sugar or sweetener and mix again till we have a creamy consistency of the mixture. Now we will need 1 teaspoon of room temperature butter and mix through. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pure cacao powder and mix. Now we will need a 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum powder, which will help with the malleability of the Swiss roll, and mix. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oat fiber powder and I'm going to mix through. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut flour as well as 1 tablespoon of almond flour and mix through. After adding the coconut and almond flour, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to use a spatula to fold it through. You can see we've ended up with a rather thick mixture, so now I'm going to add either a 1 tablespoon of no sugar almond or no sugar coconut milk, and I'm going to keep adding the milk until we end up with a cake mixture. I used around 3 tablespoons of the no sugar milk. And we're aiming for a cake mixture consistency. When our cake mixture or cake batter is now ready, we are going to use an oven tray with parchment paper, and I am using a spatula to spread out the mixture into a thin layer and place the mixture into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our Swiss roll cake is now ready. It smells lovely and it's nice and moist, not dry, and it's very malleable and easily removed from the parchment paper. As you can see, it's easily rolled and it doesn't break. So now I'm going to allow it to cool before adding the filling. After the cake has well cooled down, now we are ready to add the filling. Today I'm going to use 1 cup of heavy or double cream, well whisked with some powdered sweetener and placed in the fridge until ready. You can use, of course, any filling you would like and then spread onto the cake. Another good idea is to use some sugar-free jam, which is another favorite of mine. After adding your preferred filling, now it's time to roll the Swiss roll cake, starting from the edge and using the parchment paper to gently roll the Swiss cake. When rolled up, wrap it in the same parchment paper and place into the fridge before serving. Our keto and low carb Swiss roll cake is now ready. It keeps its shape when cut into your preferred size pieces. It's nice and spongy and light, tastes amazing and tastes even better with a cup of tea. Any questions, please leave them below. I will be happy to help, and until next time.